Hi guys, I'm going to show you how I got these beautiful curls. I wanted my hair to look a little bit shorter, so I wanted my waistline to show. So I used these foam rods that I got on Amazon, and they're very soft and easy to sleep with. That's one of the main reasons I got those. And I'm using aloe vera gel, and that hold the curls. This curl stayed for about 1 week. And I didn't use any water, it's just the pure aloe vera gel. I slept overnight with these rods, no painful neck or anything like that. It was very comfortable, and these are the curls. They loosen out after a while. So this is the final results. I really like it. I really like it. It's so bouncy. And it feels nice and soft. So that's it. Thank you.